Good evening, snipers. I hope you all are having an amazing weekend. I've been off sugar for about 30 to 40 days, and today I drank some sugarcane juice, and I feel like running a marathon right now. All right, trade idea for the week, SMCI. I know that they got a non-compliance NASDAQ letter or whatever. They have not filed their 10K. They said there is no material impact on their 10K and they would file it pretty soon. They have said that the week after they said they are going to delay their 10K. Something that you want to see here, it's not a peekaboo setup yet, right? Like let me zoom in. I was expecting this one to become a peekaboo setup when I gave that trade idea for the week, but the good part here is we have a trigger, right? The trigger is 460. Until and unless that 460 is touched, we are not going to go long it anyway, right? But I do think this inside days, this compressions that we are seeing, this will lead to a big move. If it is going to be above 460, I'm going to play some calls. That is what it is. We I think I put in 3K position into SMCI, which is basically I was up 23K. I expected it to go to zero, so I added like 10 contracts of it, 3,000. And they're up 30% or so, right? Like they were at 410. We bought it at 3-ish. So they were about 29-30%. I think I did not sell it, but if 460 is broken, 500 comes, and we'll probably have like a 2x, 3x kind of situation. If we are seeing 435 broken, we probably will see a lot lower. 430, 420, 410, 400. We'll probably see a lot lower on SMCI, and we can probably play it to the downside as well. Right now, as things stand, I am a little bit more bullish on SMCI, and usually the pennants that stocks like these make like 100-point moves in a week, and you can probably play a strangle as well, and you will do good. So keep an eye out for that on SMCI. Trade idea for the week, and 460 is your trigger with 500 as your target here. So keep an eye out for that. 500 call, 927. That's your trade idea for the week.